Describe a famous person. One famous person I admire is Taylor Swift. She is a singer and songwriter, and she is known for her amazing songs and meaningful lyrics. I like her because she is hardworking and inspiring. She has achieved many things in her life, like winning Grammy Awards and connecting with millions of fans worldwide. I hope to be as successful as her one day. Who is one famous person you admire? One famous person I admire is Taylor Swift. Do you admire Taylor Swift? Yes, I admire Taylor Swift. Is Taylor Swift a famous person? Yes, Taylor Swift is famous. Do I admire Taylor Swift? Yes, you admire Taylor Swift. Do you admire a singer? Yes, I admire a singer. What is the name of the famous person? The famous person is Taylor Swift. Is the person you admire unknown? No, she is very famous. What is her job? She is a singer and songwriter. Is she a doctor? No, she is not a doctor. Is Taylor Swift a songwriter? Yes, Taylor Swift is a songwriter. Is she only a singer? No, she is also a songwriter. Who is a singer and songwriter? Taylor Swift is a singer and songwriter. Are you a singer and songwriter? No, I am not a singer. Is she both a singer and something else? Yes, she is both things. What is she known for? She is known for amazing songs. Are her lyrics meaningless? No, her lyrics are meaningful. Is she famous for bad music? No, she is famous for good songs. Is Taylor Swift's music amazing? Yes, her music is amazing. Do I think her songs are meaningful? Yes, you think they are meaningful. Why is she well known? Because of her songs and lyrics. Is she known for dancing? No, not for dancing. Why do you like her? Because she is hardworking and inspiring. Is she lazy? No, she is not lazy. Do you like her personality? Yes, I like her personality. Do I like her songs or her work ethic? You like her work ethic. Is she inspiring to you? Yes, she is very inspiring. Who do you like? I like Taylor Swift. Is she hardworking? Yes, she is hardworking. What has she done in her life? She has achieved many things. Has she done nothing? No, she has done a lot. Has she achieved anything? Yes, she has achieved a lot. Who has achieved many things? Taylor Swift has achieved many things. Did I achieve many things? No, she did not you. Has she had a successful life? Yes, she has had success. Has she failed in life? No, she has not failed. What has she won? She has won Grammy Awards. Did she connect with a few people? No, she connected with millions. Did she win Grammy Awards? Yes, she won Grammy Awards. Who did she connect with? She connected with fans worldwide. Did I win any Grammy Awards? No, Taylor Swift did. Has she become popular around the world? Yes, she is famous worldwide. What is one of her big achievements? Winning Grammy Awards is one. What do you hope for? I hope to be successful. Do you want to be like Taylor Swift? Yes, I want to be like her. Do I hope to be successful? Yes, you hope for success. Do you hope to fail? No, I hope to succeed. Who do you want to be like? I want to be like her. Do you want success in the future? Yes, I want success. When do you hope to be successful? One day in the future.